Hello everyone, Math Wizards welcome you to their channel and this video. In this video, we would be explaining the method of addition of decimal numbers. However, before that, it is important to understand the basics of addition, multiplication, division, and that of decimal numbers. Please refer to the 4 videos in the description where we have covered these topics. It is also important to be comfortable with the addition of small numbers in order to be able to calculate larger sums quickly. Needless to say, practicing problems regularly is the key to be quick and accurate. First, let's begin by describing the different parts of a decimal number. Every real number is made up of one or more digits and the decimal point. Yes, even the numbers that don't seem to have a decimal point do actually have it. The decimal point is a reference point in a number, which tells us what place value each digit in the number has. The place value of the digit is determined by 2 things: how many places away from the decimal it is, and in which direction, left or right. This ensures that each digit in the number has a unique place value. Let's consider the different digits this number is made up of. First, it's 3, which is 1 place to the left of the decimal, so it has a place value of ones or units. This is because in order to get a number to 1 place left of the decimal, we need to multiply it by 1. Next number is 1, which is 2 places to the left of the decimal, so it has a place value of tens. This is because in order to get a number to 2 places left of the decimal, we need to multiply it by 10. Do you see where we are going? The next place values are hundreds and thousands and so on. In a similar way, for the first place value to the right of the decimal, we are dividing by 10. Hence, the corresponding name of the place value is the tenths. But if you follow the pattern that you have observed, you can figure out that the next place values are hundreds and thousands and so on. However, it is important to remember that in order to get to 1 place to the left of the decimal, we need to multiply by 1, unlike what happens on the right side where we divide by 10 to get 1 place away from the decimal. Now we are in a position to see the method of addition. The key to addition is that for any 2 or more numbers that we are adding, we align their decimal points one above another. That way, the digits with the same place value are aligned above one another. Once we have aligned them, the places where we don't see a number are 0. Now starting from the rightmost column, we add the numbers that are vertically below one another. When we get 1-digit answers, like here we have 1, we just write that down. However, when we get 2 or more digits as the answer, like in this case we have 16, we keep only the units digit, which is 6, while carry over rest of the digits to the next place value on the left and add it to the sum of the numbers below it as usual. We repeat these steps until we finish adding the leftmost column. The last step to do is to copy down the decimal vertically below, and voila! There is your answer to the sum. Note that if we are adding several numbers together, we may get results with more than 2 digits when we add all the digits in a particular place value. In such a case, we keep the units digit while rest of the digits can carry over to the next place value. Or alternatively, we can split all the digits of the carryover in the subsequent place values to the left. We would get the same answer in both cases. Be sure to try this out yourselves. This method can be used to add any set of numbers, even when you don't see a decimal. You can simply write a decimal to the end of the numbers and then align them and their respective digits and then add the numbers. Let's recall what we have learned in this video. All numbers have a decimal. Each digit of a number has a certain place value. Steps for addition of two or more numbers. We first align the decimals and the respective digits below one another. Then we start adding from the rightmost column and move towards left. Only the units digit of the sum of the numbers in a column are written, rest are carried over to the next column on the left. The sum is completed when we finish adding the leftmost column. In the next video, we will be talking about subtraction of decimal numbers. So, feel free to drop your comments and suggestions. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel for more content. Good luck!